If you've been following closely to the off-road world, you know that the rigid chase light is really a game-changing LED that's available for pretty much any type of vehicle. Now here at CJ Off-Road, we sell these for just about any car you drive, but they are extremely popular on the Jeep and side-by-side industry. Now I have both of the Rigid Industries chase lights out here. One is obviously red and the other one has an amber functionality. These can be used for just about anything on your rig, including a brake light or a turn signal. Now what's really popular in the Wrangler is actually to use this one here as your third brake light as well as your license plate LED when you relocate your license plate into the center of your wheel and tire. Built into these lights are pretty much everything that you need to give yourself a quality light that checks off every box on your list. This one includes a strobe function, a brake light function, running light as you see here, a bright reverse light in the center that packs a punch of 715 raw lumens, which Rigid is known for. Underneath is also a courtesy light, which is going to allow you to illuminate a license plate, or if you have it on top on a roll bar, it's going to give you some light inside the cab. It's a nice, cool temperature LED that'll just illuminate it perfectly for you. Now this includes a harness as well as all the universal mounting brackets. I'm going to go through right here and show you guys some of the functionality of these lights, but if you haven't checked these out yet, make sure you do so, and if you're in the market to relocate your license plate and get everything that you need at one stop, be sure to check out the Rigid chase lights. Okay guys, so obviously we don't have these wired up to the Jeep or mounted in place, but I do want to show you all the functionality of the lights. Now we have the running light here. This is what's going to be wired up to a standard and constant running like a tail light. And then this is going to be your high-powered brake light. As you can see, really gives you a ton of output and it's noticeable that you are braking. Next thing is going to be the high-power strobe function, which will allow you to wire this up if you're off-road or doing something like a desert race. Pretty cool there. It pretty much eliminates everything else and just does that functionality. Next, we're going to show you the extremely bright reverse light. This little light is actually really impressive. That's 715 lumens there. Rigid is really known for their lighting, so pretty impressive on that. So right here is going to be the courtesy or cargo light, also used as your license plate light. This thing is extremely bright as well. It's definitely going to keep you illuminated and legal when you're out. Now I'm going to go over and show you guys what the amber looks like.